NDC fu ye ti we dodo. NDC aban omo ye ti we for dodo. Take it or leave it. Fiti mampeni ni ministers, MPs, and one way to Abama NDC. Omo nyina ye ti we for momone wontie wu empty head hwi ni won adwenem. O wo ye nkurase fon tete kwa afon so sai kon wa brabo ho. NDC aban eye musu de magana. NDC aban by se wo ba be twe Ghana san keke. Oni bibi papa bia ye magana. Wo by 10 months or getting to 1 year. Mon kire me ade baako nyansade bia NDC aban etimi aya magana. Ade na mutie wu saa, ade na mabon saa. Nyanse woman in your way say opeka say o pompe billions of dollars just to stabilize the Ghanaian currency. Where Jimmy? Where ya kwasia? Wa dwene ni wonyansa wen? Won't mean fight dollar. Nyanse bia so enim say obeka say o fight dollar. Enkosi aga. Entini nyansade bebre wo hwe yese wo ye ma oman no. Nyansade bebre wo hwe yese wo ye ma Ghanaian citizen. Enye fighting of dollar na ye do buy say brabe fight dollar. Mo Jimmy dodo. Meka kire masinye se sudi ase wobetimi aye nya opese wobetimi aye ama dollar ene Ghana cedi abeye pe emfa so bia mre Ghanaian citizen emfa nyansade bia mo manim wobetimi aye ama $1 abeye 50 pesos e wo Ghana still emfa nyansade bia ama Ghana magimi yankwase afododo me hu followers no NDC kwase anko before no bola goose awon so wontie wuwu omanim tefutefu se nantwinam egugu apo esu aban baba papa ya tete dollar so ya moye nkurase fon tete kwafo magimi, and that is the truth. Me say dollar and cedi meye pe emfa hwe emfa so bia ambre Ghana ni da aban ibai say o se osesa wa he 100,000 Ghanaian youth akọ Serbia akoye adwuma wotie nyansa woye kwase anti wote dase abrana me wo say NDC fon kwase afo no ene nam wo ebose yesesa ya akọ Serbia woye kwase yiye what wo check Serbian currency ansa na ubose no wo the one Serbian dinar ekọ wo friend then $1 eba Serbian dinar ni ma 101 kwasi ampeni $101 to Serbia no 101 Ghana currency no enye Serbia currency no kra fe ene Ghana currency no enti sanka Serbia ni na ote wono no we jimia so no de upon billions of dollars e de atwen for friend den dollar na ba form e woni kroma anka kwasia ubetumi aka se o se 100,000 Ghanaian citizens ase won ko Serbia nko ye adwuma nyame kanu nyansani pe na beti ase wo Ghana ni no currency no e wo high esen Serbia wo de wo friend den 1 Ghana cedi e ko Serbia ubenya 8 Serbian dinar enti wo Ghana ni Serbia ni no hwan kra na nka se e ko no yonko krom ko ye adwuma enye Serbia ni na nka se ba Ghana kwasi ampeni wo na wo se wo currency ni ye strong no wo mo se sa wo manfo akọ Serbia se won ko ye adwuma na kwasi Serbia ba ni tie wu ti se wo e no no ode na ahoden nyina ise otwe dollar ba forma and can economy ne be strong ama wo friend den waka se wo se 100,000 Ghanaian citizens say youth say won ko ye adwuma we Jimmy build a strong economy near or mindful here policies and yet dollar oba be twena san emfa hwe mre Ghana 2007 kufuo SSR currency no $1 90 pesos e wo Ghana and on that wo hia buburo so then emfa so be na de bre Ghana just recently 2010 2009 2010 2012 for na dollar almost 2 cedi e wo Ghana then fa so na de bre Ghana fo emfa so be na de bre Ghana fo just say Jimmy Seven na me the dollar ba single digit and I me the dollar you see emfa so bia magana fo emfa so di biara emma my name Jimmy Sem near my important things where say we ye bagana fo ho to won and here dollar obetwe asan ma Jimmy dodo.
Ghana is planning to send 100,000 workers to Serbia. Is this an opportunity to bring a better life to Africans, or is this another example of the exploitation of the continent? Let's talk about it. But first, the backstory. Ghana's foreign minister and Serbia's minister of labor have been in advanced talks to relocate 100,000 primarily college-educated Ghanaians to Serbia to join that workforce. Ghana's idea is that those workers would be able to work at a higher wage in Europe and would then be able to send money back to Ghana where it goes significantly further. So why is Serbia doing this? The primary negotiator is Marko Duric, who believes Serbia needs more diversity if it wants to survive. His reasoning is that women in Siberia only have about 1.4 children on average, and countless men have left the country to pursue higher-paying jobs in Western Europe. So their population is on track to fall under 4 million within a few decades, whereas Ghana has a growing population with more educated young people than they have jobs for. So on the surface, this makes sense for both sides, but here's where I think this is a problem for Ghana. Imagine spending decades raising and educating a population, only for the brightest of those young people to leave and contribute to another country. And even though the young Ghanaians are college educated, they will likely be employed in fields far below their skill level, which is typical in Europe. So imagine a biologist working as a security guard. And lastly, if the problem was that there...
Buy news for your publication. Publication buy and it's the National Health Insurance. And from this year to the bar, Mampaina that dear work for what the buyer pro-poor policy. Some boy here for California here for your panel. Say, dear, I am no phone for yadi. Now what you are?
And try now they firm.
2004 National Health Insurance the buyer and from this year to the bar, Sasabe will be yadi now where you're here. Now we need car. Work it on a car. We bet me a cover beer because a universal. So was Sunyani crown or bank cryer, you be any free. One cry or quarter tale, you be any free. One totally or cook coast, you be any free. One cup coast or cocoa for you be any free. Yes, I said, yeah, will be I didn't know what the National Health Insurance card in the choir. Yes, there be first cabra. Yes, I ain't to me.
Wait, boy.
And the John Dramani Mahama. And the NDC government. The National Health Insurance are here for a suso moon kakra. One by say the National Health Insurance. No phone, sir.
I've been Cassia so that I've been 20 years.
And Samuel de Bano and Tasumu.
Sheniakasa.
Yet Yamukau, the taxpayers' money. Sawo Hiani wa Yadia, wa ba mujini Sikano, Nisikana bin yete, near the Yamukabusumi bia.
The Canada.
And Yatuma Esawoye no, Esawoye. Mekasa technical fault and intimi validate card no and intimi validate card in no this muchieska na yetimi hwomo ye make sure say ye very vet back ye betimi atoto no ma na yakọ back say na be ya card no be betimi ade ageduma me pato we ye nkontompo
Wa she.
na somewhere ye ka tra kraketwa
The Canada hodo.
ni pani ya ni pani wu wo National Health Insurance card no ne yade hwa no wa baye a wo say wo machine saudi adwuma when your technical fault ntino entimi validate card no na entimi validate card no de wo yade no na samban tenkomo na ye di pa me a me yade my me card matwa me sika eye active enwu ye maba hospital hwamia wo se wo card no ye machine no ntimi validate ye nya problem kakra entitwe sika.
Wait.
Are we serious? Na ye dwene Ghana ho ye dwene Ghana for ho no dwene ban ye dwene Ghana for ho ente to na bia me kase ye raise bar no na ye mpagya mu free partisan politics ho because I say it's a wo akura se na wo yade na what the National Health Insurance now call health facility no almost with the same challenge. Now we NDC new, we MPP new. Who could do a doctor and one Mrs. Secretary? Ababa way, we MPP and NDC.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Bawe, SDA hospital. A brand here by a report a free joy, a buy no. A brand here see what call no. Sika and Kokita National Health Insurance card. We bet you 15 Ghana cedis. We could do why I say machine in Yajma and me validate card no, Yajin 50 Ghana cedis. One who Dr. Keke, Akokana Sam say, Mitina am ya, Manina am ya, Mrs. Name Yano, Yajin 50 Ghana cedis. And to some brand is any pony 50 Ghana cedis. Bisa Mampain John Traman Mahama. Na Bisa and this Yaban is a Nippon Co.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
So I know 50 Ghana cedis now. One Kowana.
A tumpine.
And then Kwana machine who are Yakrana and Timini.
ne ka na da hɔ no
because some mpanyinfoɔ no yɛ leaders no ɔmo yade a yɛnhwɛ ɔmo wɔ Ghana wɔnkɔ gba wɔ SDA hospital
hwene akasa
mpanyinfoɔ no yade a ɔmo nkɔ 37 military hospital
etumpan
wɔnkɔ Kwalebu
etumpan
wɔnkɔ Kɔfɔnachi teaching hospital
etumpan
wɔnkɔ Tamale teaching hospital
etumpan
wɔyade a ɔnkɔ Solak
etumpan
Solak ihwɛ nipa bebrebe wɔ kurom ano nipa ne panyini no yare a ka kyerɛ Big Mike no ɔmo mpanyinfoɔ no NDC mpanyinfoɔ no ɔmo yade ɔmo nkɔ Solak o ɔmo tena luprema praw UK US South Africa yɛkɔ sɛ ɔmo yade
da hɔ no
enti sɛ system no kora nyɛ adwuma wɔmfa wo ho
hwene akasa